Hey, what's up, everybody? We got a 2005 Honda CRV, and we're doing a thermostat. So, this joint right here. That's what you got right here. Inside here, it's like midnight right now. Working late, baby. So, this is what you got right here. All right, this is your replacement part. So, you got three 10mm bolts holding it in. That's it. And then there's this clip right here. So, just get your trim tool, pop that out. Now I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do this. So you're probably gonna need some hose clamp pliers like this. What you wanna do, this is your top. Go and take your bottom off. Actually, the first thing you wanna do is really get you some, remove this transmission line. So you want some 90-degree pliers or something with an angle, or anything to remove something like this little clamp right here, little hose clamp. It's just a little one. It's your transmission line. Have your catch pan ready to catch fluid. So right up there, there's your thermostat. Not a lot of room to work, but there's only three 10mm bolts, but it's gonna be hard to get to it if you don't remove this transmission line right here. So this guy right here is gonna go to that line. So you got two bolts right here, right? Two 10s. Remove this one right here, and that goes right here. So you want to take that bolt out, then you can remove this transmission line, set it to the side. That'll be out your way. Then your lower radiator hose is gonna go right here. So you take that clamp off, then reach your hand up in there, take the top clamp off, and now you can get to the three bolts and go ahead and take this out right here. Just pop that out. Now you got your three bolts. Real easy to get to now, because if you don't take off all that stuff, it's gonna be hard to get to those three bolts. So after you replace it, just refill it with coolant, let your car warm up to operating temperature, bleed it out, and top it off with coolant, and then you're done. This is a 2005 Honda CRV thermostat replacement. Thanks for watching the video. Hey man, screw getting shot. Let's go and sit down on this couch and talk about why you haven't subscribed to my videos yet. If you ain't subscribed to my videos, you might as well just go ahead and kill yourself. Just go ahead and kill yourself, because that's what you're doing, man. You're killing yourself. You're probably working too hard, watching these other people take off all kinds of crap on these cars, doing the long, hard way, when you could be doing this the short and easy way. I promise you, watch my video and watch somebody else's video. If we got the same, we doing the same repair, I promise you, I'm gonna take a short cheat code activated. I'm gonna take less steps. I'm gonna take off less stuff. If there's a faster, easier way to do it, I'm gonna show you how to do it. But you're not gonna get it unless you subscribe to my videos. I believe in working smart and not hard. You know what I'm saying? So for the latest and most updated repair tips and videos, please subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm trying to help everybody. You know, if somebody else said a shot could do this, you can do this too. And I can show you how to do it the easy way. But you got to subscribe to my videos. Please. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Peace.